At Proline Range Hoods, we are shaping the future of kitchen ventilation with long-lasting performance and cutting-edge innovation. We are building on years of trusted experience and feedback with our customers, continuing to create the perfect product. This has led us to our high-efficiency blower options. From our build quality and components you interact with each day, to our internal systems working behind the scenes, everything comes together to create airflow perfection. All of these parts work in tandem to create a seamless air removal process in day-to-day use. All of this starts with our high-efficiency box. This component takes in alternating current, which is the standard current supplied by household outlets, and it converts it into direct current, then back to alternate current to allow the motor to operate at optimal power. This is important because it can now simulate variable speed alternate current power, essentially creating the exact waveform and frequency the motor needs at any moment. Take all this and power our fan blades to remove the unwanted air from your space, and you have the total package. The curvature of the blades allows for maximum airflow without extra weight to avoid drag, and all this inside a compact design allows for these styles of motors to fit in even the smallest application, our 30-inch range hoods. These high-efficiency options are available in our HE and Pro V series. Find out today what makes Proline the premier choice in kitchen ventilation.